Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Cash App to US bank account, quick fix step by step clearly. To start transferring money from Cash App to your US bank account, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log in using your registered email or phone number. Once logged in, locate the home screen, which displays your balance. Tap on the banking icon, usually represented by a bank or house symbol. In the banking section, you'll see your Cash App balance and linked bank accounts. Select the Cash Out option. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your US bank account. After entering the amount, tap on Cash Out again to proceed. Next, select the deposit speed for your transfer. You can choose between Instant, which incurs a fee, or Standard, which is free but takes 1 to 3 business days. If you choose Instant, confirm your selected amount and tap the Confirm button. If you opt for Standard, simply confirm your choice, and the transfer will process automatically. After confirming, you'll see a summary of your transaction. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification from Cash App. Check your US bank account to ensure the funds have been deposited. If the funds do not appear, wait a few business days for standard transfers. For any issues, return to the Cash App and check your transaction history. That's how you quickly transfer money from Cash App to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.